New warnings about the effect this government shutdown has on everyday Americans, you and I, as it hits day 28 with no end in sight. The nation's largest flood insurance program is frozen in the middle of hurricane season. And now lawmakers are sounding the alarm about the risks to homeowners. Joining us now, Florida Congressman Jimmy Patronis, a Republican congressman. Congressman, thank you so much for joining us. Good morning.
Of course. Good morning.
Break down how the National Flood Insurance Program works for homeowners who live in hurricane-prone areas, those high-risk areas, and why the lapse is putting so many Floridians in such a tough spot.
Sure. So for the last 8 years, I was the chief financial officer of the state of Florida, but I was also the state fire marshal. So we played a massive role when it came to the before, during, and after recovery with these storms. So in the insurance space, when you don't have insurance coverage and a storm hits, then there's no recourse on how you're going to rebuild your life unless you're going to pay for it out of your own pocket. So this is why it's just catastrophic what's taking place. The Senate, without passing the clean resolution by the Democrats working with Republicans, nobody in the state of Florida or in the United States, for that matter, can buy a new policy or renew a policy. So it's just a skeleton crew at the NFIP that will manage claims, which, again, a skeleton crew manages claims is for bad outcomes and long-term challenges.
How is Florida looking to make up for this freeze? What's the expectation whenever it is, that the shutdown will end?
So we've been advocating to allow private players to get into the flood insurance program. The flood insurance program is a massive liability for the national government. And then when it comes actually to getting your claims settled and dealt with, it's less than ideal. So we have been saying, hey, let's diversify it. Let's bring other players in that space. So if and when something happens and there is another government shutdown, just like we're having right now, at least you've got private players in the market that are writing coverage, that are paying claims, that are renewing policies.
On top of this, a lot of concern over federal food aid being cut off in just a matter of days. Now, Florida Democratic Party Chair Nikki Fried putting the blame on President Trump. Here's what she told NewsNation, Congressman. I'll talk to you on the other side.
The President of the United States is sitting on $5 billion at the USDA. He has the power to make this go away today, tomorrow, to make sure that people have these resources. He, though, is choosing to not do this.
With that said, Democrats also say Republicans can bring bills to the floor now to address these funding gaps. Love to hear your response, sir.
Yeah, look, in the Senate, they've done a number of things to try to bring some sanity to this shutdown, like paying our military. But here's the real big problem. They don't want to depress voter turnout in Virginia, New York, and New Jersey, where they have got Democrat incumbents with a rising Republican challenger. So it's sad. It's actually pretty disgusting. And that Nikki would even engage in any of this because it's her own party that is keeping all this and being in paralysis and not taking care of people when they most need it. Look, we're still digging ourselves out of this Biden mess that we inherited, and it's not going to recover overnight. Republicans and Democrats should work together, and Republicans are trying. Democrats need to get on board.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.